Every journey begins with careful hands and a respect for life.
To handle them safely, nature's power is gently tempered.
Every snake is catalogued, each journey carefully recorded.
From field to facility, the journey begins on these narrow roads. Every mile traveled ensures the snakes arrive in prime condition.
At the facility, precision and safety guide every step.
Gentle hands transfer them from transport to the care of the facility.
Here they rest briefly, a calm before processing begins.
Each snakeo's health is carefully verified before processing.
Temperature control ensures both safety and quality.
Before extraction, every step is reviewed for precision and safety. All tools are sanitized and organized for a meticulous process.
From the wild to the table, every snake is ready for the journey ahead.
The journey continues, smoothly transported within the facility.
Automation assists workers, moving each tray with care. Every corridor within the facility is optimized for safe handling. Preparation begins here, before the snakes meet the first cleaning stage.
Attention to detail ensures each snake is handled safely.
Precision in temperature preserves quality and safety.
Each snake is positioned perfectly for the next stage of cleaning.
Before cleaning, each snake is carefully verified for health and quality.
A gentle rinse prepares them for thorough cleaning. Controlled airflow ensures they are ready for the next process.
Weights are recorded to track each snake through the process.
Cleaned and cataloged, they move seamlessly toward extraction. From transport to prep, every step ensures safety and efficiency. Each snake begins its first meticulous inspection at the sorting station.
Attention to detail ensures only the healthiest specimens proceed.
Each snake is sorted by species to maintain precise processing workflows.
Size categorization ensures optimal handling in later stages. Digital tracking keeps the process precise and traceable.
A careful rinse removes any residual debris before deeper cleaning. Controlled drying prepares them for inspection without stress.
A second health check ensures only prime specimens continue.
Separation allows the next process to proceed safely and efficiently.
Organization ensures the process is smooth and predictable.
The manifest says 40 units, but this tray only has 35. We need to locate the missing items.
Double-checking records keeps quality control airtight. A final inspection ensures every snake is ready for the main processing stage.
Cleaned, sorted, and verified, the snakes move onward to extraction.
Every tool and tray is prepared for the delicate extraction process.
Precision ensures the venom is collected safely and efficiently.
Continuous monitoring protects both worker and snake during extraction.
Snakes are infused into the wine under controlled conditions.
Natural ingredients enhance flavor and medicinal properties.
Accurate records maintain traceability throughout the process.
Precision temperature control ensures optimal infusion quality.
Even infusion is maintained through subtle agitation.
Continuous observation ensures consistent quality. Even small components are carefully extracted for precision testing.
Time and temperature are meticulously monitored for perfect infusion.
With the main infusion complete, the process moves to refinement and enhancement.
Each batch is approved before advancing to secondary processing.
Refinement begins as each tank is carefully relocated for secondary processing.
Precision adjustments ensure the wine achieves its signature flavor and potency.
Enhanced flavors are introduced carefully to maintain balance.
Even distribution ensures consistent taste and infusion quality.
The well-being of every snake is continuously monitored throughout.
Chemical balance is checked to ensure optimal quality.
Filtration guarantees clarity without compromising essence.
Every drop is refined, capturing flavor while preserving purity. Accurate labeling ensures traceability through every stage.
Observation guides the subtle adjustments needed for perfect maturation.
Every observation is meticulously recorded for quality assurance.
Refinement complete, the process now enters high-tech automation.
Each batch is verified before entering automated processing.
Automation ensures precise control over every aspect of the infusion.
Robots assist workers by taking precise samples without disturbing the snakes.
High-tech mixers maintain even infusion throughout each tank. Sensors and automated controls keep the infusion perfectly balanced. Robotics handle delicate transfers to prepare for luxury bottling. Precision ensures each bottle receives the perfect infusion. Automation guarantees uniform quality in every bottle. Every bottle is sealed with consistent precision. Labels are applied flawlessly, maintaining the brand's luxury image. Automated vision systems
Verify every detail before bottles advance.
Automation complete. The bottles are ready for rigorous quality control.
Every automated action is logged and verified by skilled supervisors.
High-tech systems ensure consistency before the final human touch.
Every bottle is positioned for its final transformation into a luxury product. Luxury details are added meticulously, blending craftsmanship with automation.
Every surface gleams, reflecting the care invested in production.
Packaging transforms bottles into ready-to-gift luxury products.
Every batch is verified before entering the final quality stage.
Precision sampling ensures product safety and flavor integrity.
Each sample is analyzed to maintain the highest quality standards.
All bottles converge for the ultimate presentation.
Finished bottles are carefully arranged for safe storage and shipping.
A final review ensures perfection before products leave the line.
Every bottle begins its final journey through rigorous quality control.
Visual perfection is the first checkpoint in quality assurance.
Precision sampling confirms chemical consistency and safety.
Automated analysis provides accurate, repeatable results for every batch. Every batch is compared to ensure uniformity in flavor and quality.
Seals and caps are verified to preserve the wine's integrity.
Labels are scanned with precision to uphold the brand's luxury image.
Every check is logged to maintain full traceability.
A final sweep ensures nothing is overlooked.
Bottles are stored systematically, preserving their quality until distribution. With quality assured, the bottles await their journey to consumers worldwide.
Approved bottles are moved to the packing area for secure shipment preparation. Approved bottles are moved to the packing area for secure shipment preparation.
Each bottle is carefully wrapped to prevent damage during transport.
Boxes are stacked with precision, creating secure pallets for dispatch. Shrink wrap seals the pallets, ensuring stability and protection.
Accurate labeling guarantees traceable and organized shipment.
Pallets are organized systematically for efficient retrieval.
Each pallet is accounted for, ensuring inventory accuracy. Pallets are loaded carefully to maintain product integrity during transit. Safety measures protect the bottles until they reach their destination. Every shipment is documented for traceability and accountability.
Bottles begin their journey from factory to retailers worldwide.
With dispatch complete, the warehouse returns to readiness for the next batch.
packaging and dispatch complete, the journey to consumers worldwide begins.
From factory floor to open road, the journey to the world begins.
Regional hubs facilitate smooth transition from factory to retailer.
Every pallet is checked and tracked to maintain full accountability.
Preparation ensures safe delivery across countries and continents.
Cargo is loaded with care, ready to travel the globe.
From factory to shelves worldwide, the journey of premium snake wine unfolds.
Genflizzle. And this is how modern factories produce snake wine from start to finish.